In the fast-paced digital age of 2023, there are countless opportunities to make money online, empowering individuals from all walks of life to harness their creativity, skills, and passions to achieve financial independence and success. The Internet has become a vast marketplace, offering a plethora of possibilities for those willing to embrace the digital landscape. Start an e-commerce store with dropshipping. The rise of e-commerce has opened doors for entrepreneurs to start their online stores without the need to invest heavily in inventory. Dropshipping, a business model where you partner with suppliers to ship products directly to customers, has gained tremendous popularity. By selecting a niche you are passionate about and conducting thorough market research, you can create a visually appealing online store that attracts potential customers from around the globe. Dropshipping eliminates the need for physical storage space and shipping logistics, making it a cost-effective and flexible option. Moreover, with the advancements in e-commerce technology and payment gateways, setting up an online store has become easier than ever. Utilizing social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, and influencer marketing can help drive traffic to your store and boost sales. Become a high-paid freelancer. The gig economy has revolutionized the way people work, allowing skilled individuals to offer their services to a global clientele. If you possess talents in graphic design, copywriting, web development, digital marketing, or any other marketable skill, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide a vast pool of clients seeking your expertise. Building a strong portfolio, optimizing your profile with relevant keywords, and delivering high-quality work are key to building a stellar reputation and attracting repeat clients. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to work on projects that interest you and set your own rates and working hours. This level of autonomy and flexibility is appealing to many, especially those seeking a better work-life balance. Additionally, networking and building professional relationships in online communities can lead to referrals and long-term collaborations. Create and sell online courses. As the demand for online learning continues to surge, creating and selling online courses has become a profitable venture. If you possess specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field, consider developing engaging and informative courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide an excellent infrastructure for hosting and selling your courses. Creating an online course requires careful planning, structuring, and the ability to present information in a compelling manner. Including multimedia elements such as videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources enhances the learning experience for your students. Leveraging social media and email marketing can help you reach a broader audience and establish yourself as an authority in your domain. Launch a YouTube channel. YouTube remains a formidable platform for content creators, where individuals are making substantial incomes through their channels. Whether your passion lies in entertainment, education, or vlogging, choosing a niche that resonates with your interests can fuel your success. Consistently uploading high-quality videos, engaging with your audience, and monetizing your channel through Google AdSense, brand partnerships, and merchandise sales can turn your passion into a profitable career. YouTube's vast audience and global reach make it a lucrative platform for content creators. However, success on YouTube requires perseverance, creativity, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Adapting to the ever-changing algorithms and trends on the platform is crucial to maintaining and growing your viewership. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. For those seeking to diversify their investment portfolio, real estate crowdfunding offers a promising avenue. Collaborative platforms allow investors to pool their funds and invest in properties, reducing the financial burden on individual investors. By thoroughly researching platforms and assessing properties, one can earn passive income through rental returns and property appreciation. Real estate crowdfunding democratizes the real estate investment market, providing opportunities to participate in projects that were once accessible only to institutional investors. Moreover, it allows investors to spread their risk across multiple properties and locations. Engaging with experienced real estate professionals and carefully evaluating investment opportunities can help make informed decisions in this dynamic market. Affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Joining relevant affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and driving traffic to your affiliate links can lead to significant earnings as your audience grows. This scalable and sustainable approach has proven to be a reliable source of online income for many. Affiliate marketing relies on the power of recommendation and trust. By building authentic relationships with your audience and promoting products that align with their interests and needs, you can establish yourself as a trustworthy affiliate marketer. Utilizing various marketing channels, such as blogs, social media, email newsletters, and video content, can help you reach a wider audience and drive conversions. Develop mobile apps. The mobile app industry's unprecedented growth presents a lucrative opportunity for aspiring app developers. Identifying problems that apps can solve, conducting market research, and collaborating with skilled developers can lead to the creation of successful mobile applications. Monetization strategies such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements can yield substantial returns. Mobile apps have become an integral part of modern life, catering to various needs and preferences. A well-designed and user-friendly app that addresses a specific pain point or provides valuable services can attract a large user base. Regular updates, responsiveness to user feedback, and effective app marketing are vital to staying competitive in this rapidly evolving market. Participate in online surveys and market research. While not a get-rich-quick scheme, participating in online surveys and market research studies can provide an accessible way to earn some extra cash or gift cards. Many companies value valuable consumer insights, making this an easy way for individuals to voice their opinions and earn rewards in return. Engaging in online surveys requires signing up with reputable survey platforms and completing profile surveys to receive targeted opportunities. While each survey may not offer substantial compensation, consistent participation can accumulate rewards over time. Additionally, some survey platforms offer other earning opportunities, such as product testing and focus group participation. Sell handcrafted products on Etsy. For creative individuals with a talent for crafting unique products, Etsy has emerged as a prominent platform to showcase and sell their creations. By capturing high-quality photographs, crafting compelling product descriptions, and leveraging social media to promote their store, sellers can build a loyal customer base and foster a thriving online business. Etsy's marketplace caters to individuals seeking one-of-a-kind and personalized items, making it an ideal platform for artisans and crafters. Building a strong brand identity and offering exceptional customer service can help differentiate your store from competitors. Engaging in collaborations with influencers or participating in local craft fairs can further boost your brand's visibility and attract potential customers. Start a blog and monetize with ads and sponsored content. Blogging has become a powerful medium for individuals to share their passions and expertise with the world. By choosing a niche they are knowledgeable about and consistently creating valuable content, bloggers can attract a dedicated audience. Monetizing the blog through methods like Google AdSense, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing can generate revenue and turn blogging into a fulfilling career. Starting a blog requires a commitment to producing high-quality and engaging content regularly. Finding your unique voice and perspective within your chosen niche can help you stand out in the crowded blogosphere. Collaborating with brands and businesses for sponsored content or promoting relevant affiliate products can provide additional streams of income as your blog gains popularity. In conclusion, the digital landscape of 2023 offers an abundance of opportunities to make money online. Whether you choose to venture into e-commerce, freelancing, online education, content creation, real estate crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, app development, surveys, crafting, or blogging, success largely depends on your dedication, creativity, and willingness. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more content. Folded Hands Bell.